Hello, this is Nathan Brown with Healing Touch Massage Chairs, and I'd like to focus on low back pain with you today. If you suffer with a type of chronic pain that responds well to decompression therapy or traction therapy, I think we have a product that might be really useful to you. The Panasonic line of chairs offers a mechanism known as the Real Pro Ultra mechanism, along with a choreography known as the core stretch. And I believe these could be very, very therapeutic for you. So let's take a moment, look at some animation where we can detail the aspects that you can relate to, and perhaps it'll be something you need to try. Let's take some time and look at the Real Pro Ultra mechanism performing the core stretch. This is a proprietary program that Panasonic provides, and one that could really help you with your lower back pain. So as the mechanism begins, it'll work into the spine area, the lower spine of the area, arching the spine and warming it up. As this is occurring, the airbags in the seat will inflate, lifting the body, preparing it for the later core stretch. As the mechanism moves into the back rib cage area under the shoulder blades, you'll see that the legs will drop, straightening the body. And as that happens, the mechanism will push into the back and open the chest. This produces a comprehensive stretch that is felt from the legs through the hips all the way into the chest area. It's very therapeutic. The final part of the program will have the mechanism pushing into the lower back as we see it here. The airbags in the seat will deflate, and you'll see an extreme arching of the body as the body is suspended on the mechanism, and allowing gravity to produce a wonderful decompression of that lower spine. And that's that therapeutic point we think that will provide you with that relief that you need if you have that chronic low back pain. So let's take a little time and review this without my interruptions and watch the play seamlessly. Well, I hope you found that helpful. If it's the type of massage that might be beneficial to you, if you have the chronic pain, you know that you need that relief every day. So having a chair like a Panasonic in your life could be the perfect solution. So come see us. We're in the North Texas region. We'd love to take the opportunity to share with you our chairs. We have many different types. Panasonic's only one, but we'd like you to come see. The only way you can really tell is by trying the chair yourself. So come see us. Hope things are going well for you. Otherwise, maybe we can help you. Bye.